Okay, good morning, my dear students. Today, I just want to speak something about the spoken English. This is the confidence point centered in the heart of CUD. The centered name is Confidence Point, and here the spoken English are being taught. So, what are the features for the spoken English learning? How to learn the spoken English, and what are the beneficiary effect of the spoken English learning? I will discuss in details. Uh, Now you just go for listening. I am Manik Das, the spoken English center of Confidence Point. It is situated in the heart of Siuri, bus stand, Omen near Omen police stations, bus stand. There's a lane towards Omen police station. In front of the Omen police station, there's a lane where the road goes to Saraswati Shishu Mandir. The near Women police stations, the center is already situated. So what are the features exactly? I'm just going to vividly explain it. Yeah, you see this spoken English center here. The students are generally coming for learning the spoken English. So first of all, you have to know the what are the main features of the spoken English. You know that many of the students in that particular places in they are living in the Bengali medium surroundings, Bengali medium atmosphere. So as a consequence, what's happening? The students cannot able to learn the English very well. They can able to understand the English, but the fact is that whenever it is being discussed for them to speak out the English, but they feel tremendous problem. They cannot able to execute their expressions very fantastically, very smoothly. So as a consequence, they cannot make the English language as like their Bengali language. It's impossible for them. They cannot make it like their mother tongue. So and besides that, there is a huge growing demand for the English language. They have to learn it, they have to speak it, they have to speak very indiscriminately everywhere. If you would like to face any kinds of interview, if you would like to take the admissions in the different kinds of dignified institutions, first of all the English language is having the very requirement which they are getting less in this competitive area. And besides that, the many whenever they will get established after giving their madhyamik exam or the HS exams, they have to continuously talk in English language, whatever the exams would be there. As like in a nutshell, I would like to make it express like that. If they in their future's life, if they wish to step forward even a single step forward, then what would happen to them? If they cannot able to learn the English language, they will get stumble about their destinations. So that's why the spoken English, the confidence point is getting launched, is launching that kinds of very vital course name of the spoken English. And the many of the students are also learning the spoken English, and it's a very vital part of their life. They should learn it, and it will be like a stamina of their entire features, entire qualities. A student can learn complete the degrees like the BTech or the MTech or the doctorate or the medical or the engineer or the technical, any kinds of courses whatever they require, they can complete any of the courses. But the fact is that if it's not getting equipped with that kinds of English language, then all qualities will get a big zero. So therefore it is being highlighted that they should immediately learn the spoken English, and the confidence point is always very ready to teach them a proper lesson of learning the spoken English. So it has a huge demand in that kinds of competitive exam, in this kinds of competitive era. So therefore you see that many of the English medium schools are already growing up like the umbrella talks. But it's also but the fact is that they if they take admissions in the English medium schools, like in the heart of the town, there are many English medium schools where they are in study. Examples are many. But the fact is that the Bengali medium students, when they are taking the admissions in the English medium schools, so what exactly happening? They have to invest huge amount of the money, and the fact is that they are also getting distracted from the Bengali language atmosphere. It is they are getting retreat from that kinds of atmosphere. So it is looking very much oddities. So therefore, so that they cannot get able to distracted from the Bengali medium atmosphere and remaining the same, they would able to get the same kinds of atmosphere. So spoken English confidence point has launched the very beautiful course of the spoken English. They would get the same features of the English in Bengali medium atmosphere, and coming here according to routine wise for 2 days in a week, they can make themselves up to date. So therefore it's very much required for the all kinds of students to learn the spoken English. Not only for the students, but for the also different kinds of peoples, irrespective of the caste, creed and religions. Anybody can able to learn the spoken English. So I personally recommend to all of the people they should learn the spoken English. And for learning the spoken English, there may be some barriers, but the teacher, I being the teacher with different kinds of technical issue, I will help you. I will completely solve the problems and different issues of the oddities for the students, how to grow up, how to learn, how to develop the fluency, everything I will guide you. So thanks, vivid discussions for the benefit of the spoken English. I already discussed you with my students. With camera person Manik Das. Thank you.